Well, the final words in this high-profile, high-stakes case are beginning here today, and much to the frustration of the former president, it's his defense team that will speak with the jury first. The closing arguments for the defense will center on a lot of things they say just don't add up in this case. And most importantly, they say the testimony of former Trump attorney and confidant Michael Cohen, who they say is a convicted liar with an agenda against the former president. They'll be looking to discredit his testimony, which is at the key, at the heart of this case. As for prosecutors, they are expected to meticulously go through the evidence in this case, and they say that all of that evidence makes it clear that the president was not only committing fraud, but doing so to hide this from the voters, an affair with Stormy Daniels that to this day, he says, did not occur. What to look for today in the courtroom? Look for the defense to take about 2.5 hours, they've told the judge, to present their closing arguments. And prosecutors say that they will spend 4 to 4.5 hours with the jury. Now, that could push things into tomorrow morning. If the jury decides to go home on its regular schedule, the judge has given them the option of staying late to finish up closing arguments today. And certainly that's what the defense team wants. They're going to kind of move through theirs rather quickly so that they don't allow the prosecution to not only get the last word today, but come back tomorrow when the jurors are fresh in court and going to begin their deliberations to have one last word. So again, the former president very frustrated that the defense is not going last when it comes to these closing arguments, but that's New York law. That's the way it's always been, and that's the way this trial will proceed. We know that time is not limited on either team, so they could go longer if they choose to. This will be followed tomorrow likely by jury instructions, and then this case will go to the jury. It will be in their hands. That's the latest right now outside the courthouse here in Lower Manhattan. I'm Jay Gray.